guys, this is Saurabh. In this video we are going to learn how to create menu in WordPress. So there are 4 ways to create a menu. So now you can see here is my website here. So there is one menu, right? So we are going to create a menu and there are 4 ways to create this. So here you can see pages, post, custom links and category, right? So here first we are going to create menu using pages. So let's create. So I have some pages here. So just check these pages, like I just need only 4 pages here, and click on add to menu. Now you will see here is 4 menus option, right? And click on primary and click on save. Alright, so now we are going to our website and refresh our website here. Now you will see here, wait some seconds to refresh it, and you can see here there are 4 menu, right? 4 options here. So that's my page here, 4 pages I have, right? So if I want to create, if I don't have a page, right? So how can you create the menu? So that's very simple. You need to just remove this all pages or from this menu, and you can create another one menu also, right? So you can do this from here. So you can see create a new menu. So click on this and leave it. And now you need to type your menu name. So I'm going to use it post menu, this name is, right? And click on create menu. Now you can see here is my menu and there is nothing here, right? So I'm going to close this page and I'm going to make a menu from the post. So here you can see here I have 3 posts here, right? View all, hello world, social login and table. Here's 3 posts in my website. So click on add to menu, and you can see here's 3 options of menu, and make it primary, okay, to show on our website, and click on save menu and go to your website and refresh your page, and you can see here's 3 options, right? So that's very simple way to create a menu. So here another way is to creating a menu. So that one is custom links. Sometimes if you want to redirect people to another website or some other websites and some other software's links, right? So here you can put the links, like I'm going to put the link of Google, right? Like copy and paste the link of the website, any website, and type here Google like this, and you can just click on add to menu, and you can see here is Google option, and click on save this and go to the website again and refresh this. And now you can see here the 4th option is Google. Whenever I click on the Google, you will see Google is open right here from my website. So that's very simple way, right? So and the last option 4th option is category. So you can see here, right here is my category of post. So you can make the category, and after creating the category you will see the all categories in here. Click on view all. So I already have created 3 categories: Hollywood, news and sports, and I'm going to click on checked all this and click on add to menu, and you will see here is the menu, here's the menu of category, right? So just you need to click on save menu and go to your website, click on visit website, and you will see here of website. There is my website. You can see here hello world, social login, table, Google, Hollywood, news and sports, right? So these are very simple options to create a menu. So here you can, now if you have any doubt you can ask me on comment. So that's very simple to create a menu from the 4 options. So you have 4 options to create a menu, right? You can mix all these on your menu also. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt you can ask me on comment. Thank you so much.